Do you feel the vibes?
Hello, great. How are you, everyone? This is Mr. Ahmed Samir, and let's continue with the second part of the second lesson of Algebra, the set of irrational numbers Q dash. There is a question in the exam in this session إن شاء الله. في سؤال مهم إن شاء الله بيجي في كل امتحان من السيشن ديت، عشان كده لازم نركز كويس جدا إن شاء الله. First of all, how to find the approximated value for the irrational number. Let's understand how to find it using an example. Find the approximated value of square root 11. First of all, the number 11 lies between two perfect square numbers, are 9 and 16. Then, let's see that root 11 between root 9 and root 16. But root 9 equals 3, root 16 equals 4. Then root 11 lies between 3 and 4. Let's start with 3 to find 3.1 power 2. 3.1 power 2 equals 9.61. 3.2 power 2 equals 10.24. We want to reach to the number 11. So let's continue. 3.3 power 2 equals, using your calculator, 10.89. 3.4 power 2 equals 11.56. Then the number of root 11 lies between 3.3 and 3.4 because the number 11 lies between 11.56 and 10.89. Then the result will be root 11 lies between 3.3 and 3.4. Then the approximated value for root 11 between 3.3 and 3.4. Another example. Find the approximated value of cube root of 2. By the same way, the number 2 lies between two perfect cube numbers 1 and 8. Then cube root of 2 between cube root of 1 and the cube root of 8. Cube root of 1 equals 1 and cube root of 8 equals 2. Then cube root of 2 lies between 1 and 2. Let's start with 1.1 but power 3. If we have the square root of any number, we will put the number power 2. But cube root of the number, we will start with the decimal point 1.1 but power 3 equals 1.331. We want to reach the number 2. Then 1.2 power 3 equals 1.728. 1.3 power 3 equals 2.197. Then the number 2 lies between 1.728 and 2.197. In this case, the cube root of 2 lies between 1.2 and 1.3. The second question of the session is a very important question. Prove that root 3 lies between 1.7 and 1.8. First of all, we will find the square of these numbers. The first step, we will get the square of these numbers, like root 3 power 2 equals 3, 1.7 power 2, 2.89, 1.8 power 2 equals 3.24. Then you can see that 3 lies between 2.89 and 3.24. Let's write this. 3 lies between 2.89 and 3.24. But we want to prove that root 3, not 3. Then root 3 have to be between root of 2.89 and root of 3.24. Using your calculator, root 3 lies between square root of 2.89 equals 1.7 and the square root of 3.24 equals 1.8. Next question. Prove that root 11 lies between 3.31 and 3.32. The first step, let's get the square for these numbers. Root 11 power 2 equals 11. 3.31 power 2 equals 10.9561. 3.32 power 2 equals 11.0224. Then you can notice that 11 lies between 10.9561 and 11.0224. Let's write that. 11 lies between them. Then we will find the square root again for these numbers. Root 11 lies between square root of 10.9561 and square root of 11.0224. Using your calculator, you will find that root 11 between 3.31 and 3.32. We have 3 steps to solve this problem. First of all, you will get the square for the 3 numbers. Number 2, we will put the number like 11 between the square of the numbers. Then we will find the square root of these numbers. We will find that root 11 between 3.31 and 3.32.